So what are we doing here, buddy?
We're going to fix the drone.
What's wrong with it?
My girl bashed it into a wall.
You actually flew it way, way up in the air and then cut the throttle and it dropped 1,000 feet. At least 1,000 feet.
Yeah.
And it broke this little arm here. So we're just going to glue that back together, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be easy. You ready?
Take a picture. I'm pointing at that.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Magnet.
Magnet.
Thank you, sir.
Look, now they're all together and now they're not lonely. Everybody, hop back on. For chicka chicka wide. And a hot babe punk. Oh. Look, they can't go anymore. Here?
Yeah, but not everywhere, just on the edges, okay?
Just like this.
Yeah.
Am I all done?
You think so? Good job. Ha!
Okay, touch this.
Yeah, sure, bud.
So glued. So sticky. So stretchy. Stretchy stretch. Need to stretch. Need to stretch. Need to stretch.
What's that, buddy?
I joined not being gluey.
Oh my, it's pretty.
All of these.
All the elastics?
Look. Look.
Thanks, buddy.
Look.
I can't. I was trying to look at the camera.
No, don't.
How's the power? Now, do you remember go hold this down and all the way up? Now all the way down. Now go. Does it work?
No,
No.
it's not working. Oh, Dad. You press this button yet?
Not yet.
Is this upside down?
Let's have a look. No, it's the right way.
Not.
Hilarious.
I like the wobbly thing how it goes wobble, 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 wobble. I like that.
Well, it's kind of a success. So the actual battery for it, this has come undone, but I think it'll be fine. Look, it's still got air in it. So this is gonna be my problem. This is my little tiny battery, and this is my soldering gun. Not the prettiest ever, but looks like it'll work. Let's go try it out.
That way in the hallway, okay, Dad?
Okay. No, it's certainly not.
I showed.
What is that?
I said, if you want to watch my shows, click the ration bell down in the ground. That's what I said, Dad. That's what I said.
Okay, buddy.
Should we get going now?
Yeah. So this thing flew perfectly well before it hit the ground, so I'm not sure what's going on with it. If anyone does know, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for joining us. Leave a like, would be appreciated, or dislike for that matter. Anyhow, thanks for joining us. Oh, and if you could, hit the Mason bell on the ground. Take care, everyone.